All right, we're back at it again. So today, if you're an ICT trader, it was a nightmare of a day to trade in. But if you trade like me and you follow my strategy, it was a pretty simple day because this strategy is good. You can trade if you're in a range bound day. Range bound meaning you're just going from one liquidity to another liquidity, or if you're choppy, you can still draw your line and have opportunity. So the first 9 a.m. candle closed below all these POIs. So we marked the most recent one. You see there's lots of volume. So that means there's always enough juice for either a base hit or for like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Just go to the replay mode real quick. There you go. So this is what I see. I draw my line, I set my alert, and I went ahead about my life. That's it's pretty simple. I'm not gonna remove this, so let me just remove these two. There we go. So you can see things clearly. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Right now, in a second, these lines start to make sense. So the candle closed. I drew my line, and you can do this anytime because I just draw my line. And a lot of time, since I'm already working on my work, I just get a lot on my phone and I just get in the trade on my phone. So this was the first one. So we close above, and I was waiting for the candle to close. We closed below it. I got in, and we almost immediately got stopped out, but we didn't. But we eventually got stopped. As soon as I saw this candle close above, I was like, "Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the second opportunity." And second opportunity didn't come until way later. This was a good one. I could have taken this one for a quick one-on-one, and again, I missed it. I didn't take it. I was like, you know what? I feel like it's one of those days that we're gonna have multiple opportunity. So I just wait for it. My alert got hit here. As soon as I hit, got in, put my stop loss right here. I had my break even, my fair value gaps and all that. I had my take profit here. And I believe this one we had it here, which eventually ended up hitting. Yeah. So there you go. So one loss, one win. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You had 1, 2, 3 opportunities. Two of them would have worked out. Of course, the first one fell. Pretty simple. I think we lost like maybe 200 on the first, around 500 on the first trade. In the second trade, I went in with 2 contracts. So we end up making about almost 1500. So we walked away for the day for about 11 so-ish hundred. Let me just see if I can log into my Lucid account. That was that. I didn't look at the gold today. Yeah, I had my level marks marked on gold, but none of them really hit. One of them hit. So I have my liquidity sweep here, end up hitting and going up. I have my POI here, liquidity sweep here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, this is perfect. This is like A plus setup. We hit the liquidity. We close above it. Not only we close above it, we also got an inverse gap. Perfect A plus plus setup. You can just get in here and target probably halfway. Target the halfway point mark. Even with one contract, you would make like $700. Or 2 contract, you take one off here, take another one somewhere off here. You don't even need to target the full liquidity. But gold moves. Gold moves insanely high. You should see the gold a couple of months ago. Like 67 point in one day. That's crazy on gold. And sometimes if the hourly doesn't give you anything, I usually go to 15-minute. Usually 15-minute gives me something. Yeah, So 15 minutes would have given you something today in here. There we go. So because this one was 9:45. Yeah, if you see a candle close like this, you can draw your line. Then go to your 1 minute level. Close above it. Came back down. Close below it. Close above it again. The issue is we have no clear target. We have here and here. But that's about it. And by the way, don't pay too much attention to the volume profile. It's not that important. Oh, and before I forget, I'm opening a small capped group for like a direct one-on-one mentorship. We're gonna deep dive into execution, risk management, passing funded challenges. I try to work with you one-on-one until you pass your challenges. So there's a private waitlist that I made on Telegram. The link is down below in the description. Join in if it's something that you would like to look into. So let's go look at the silver. On silver, we had some good opportunities. Let's see. Today, this morning. Yeah, some good opportunities in silver. For overnight as well, in the morning as well. And of course, I didn't take it. Yeah, for example. Yeah, pretty much. Gold and silver, they move very similarly. So I guess the same opportunity over there. And tonight on silver, I tried to keep hitting the home run. If I was going for my base hit, I would have passed that challenge again. So there was a entry that we got in here, and I was aiming for this full liquidity. Then we got break even. Then we got another opportunity here, so that I got in. Same thing, I was aiming for this. But if I would have gone for base hit and a base hit on these, both of these trades on silver tonight, I would have been done with the challenge. So the challenge, like you see, we haven't had a losing day so far. So we're like $900 away from passing this account. Oh, there we go. Now you can see it. There's that one. Yeah. So let me show you my execution marks so you can see what I'm talking about. See, I had it here because we had a hourly that got closed. So this was my level. We closed below it, and then I got it, but I was targeting all the way here. I usually go and target like the most low-hanging fruit. I go for one-on-one. I go target here, or I target the most recent like swings. That would have been 81 tick. Same thing with this one. If I would have targeted the most recent swing, that would have been 60 plus 80. That's about 140. Yeah, that would have been way more than what we needed. And that account should be done by tomorrow, and we should be able to trade it on the fund that by tomorrow or possibly on Monday. That's that. And if you have any question, leave it down below in the comment. And if you want to join the community, we have a free community, Trading Made Simple. Same again, the link is in the description. We just passed over 750 members. There's people that leaving their trades in here, either if they lost, why they lost, if they win, why they win. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna add more content into the group as well. Hopefully that was helpful. I just wanted to make a quick recap on everything, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.